A novel rebroadcasting algorithm for MANETs. Here, in this wireless network, it has been used to detect the rebroadcasting delay and the rebroadcasting probability in order to determine the to reduce the number of transmission and to reduce the overhead in MANETs. Here, in this demo version, I have created a wireless node network so that it acts both as a transmitter and the receiver. Here now, I am going to run using the NS2 simulator. I am going to run and I am going to create the number of nodes here using a wireless channels. Once a node has been created, the NAM folder gets opened. The NAM is an animator folder in order to simulate the working outs. Here now, in this NAM folder, the nodes has been created and two source nodes and two destination has been determined. Here the transmission takes place between the source and the destination. So when there is any droplets or any missing of packets, the new path will be determined. So the rebroadcasting delay here can be calculated using the total number of nodes transmitted by exactly one transmission and divided by the total number of nodes, which gives the forwarding order for the rebroadcasting delay. And in order to determine the rebroadcasting probability, the uncovered node list, when a source node sends a packet to its neighbors, the source node receives the uncovered list once the timer is expired. So the uncovered node list now sends the received packet to the next neighbor node and it determines the packet ratios. So at the end, overall the node density can be determined by the total number of uncovered nodes divided by the total number of nodes present. So which gives the probability ratio. The probability ratio is used to find the node density and the probability ranges from 0 to 1, which means that mobile node is in the high density or mobile node is in the low density. Now the report can be generated. So the report can be generated. The report has been evaluated based on the QoS metrics. Now the total number of nodes transmitted, the total number of nodes received and the lost packets has been given in the report version. So this now total number of nodes sent is 1092 and the received MAC is 1186. The dropped packets is 107 and the routing overhead ratio is 1. So the packet delivery ratio and the overall end-to-end delay has been detected.